Dr. Beckett here, your Middle Tennessee chiropractor. Now, Dr. Hannah here has actually been having some lower back pain, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you our adjustment flow and look at what a standard adjustment looks like in our office. So we actually brought the table out here to our therapy area to give you guys a great view of what an adjustment would look like in our office. So what Hannah's doing right now is obviously laying down. This is very important to let these muscles relax and allow her to accept that adjustment better. What I'm doing is I'm just palpating in here to just see where those restrictions are, where she maybe has tight muscles, or where the joints aren't moving the way they should. So what I'm typically going to do is start with the lower, mid, and upper back, and then we'll take a look at her pelvis here, and then we'll take a look at her neck. So we're just gonna palpate through here, and like I said, yes, we are human, and Hannah does have some of that lower back pain. So we're really gonna focus on this lower area here. Okay, so I'm feeling a little bit of a restriction here between the lumbar spine and the thoracic spine. Now we see a lot of restrictions in this area because it's a transition zone. So it goes from that thoracic curve into that lumbar curve, and just biomechanically there's a lot of pressure that happens in there. So what I'm gonna do is have Hannah take a nice deep breath here. Breathe it all the way out. Come in here and just like that. So now I'm checking her mid back the same way. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to bring this headpiece down for her. And I'm going to have her drop her arms to the floor. This is going to help open up that upper back up here. Right in this mid back, we've got another restriction in here. So I'll have her take a nice deep breath again. Breathe it all the way out. Perfect. And we're just checking the upper back here. Now what we're going to do to address that lower back is we're going to get her on her side and do something that's called side posture. We're also going to check the hips there too, so we'll kind of knock both of those out at the same time. What I'm doing is I'm checking the balance of her feet. And essentially what this is looking at, not that one of her legs is shorter than the other one, when you have your pelvis rock up like this, it pulls that leg up and it shows us where the restrictions are in the pelvis. That's what I'm checking out here. So that right side, her right leg is shorter, and then also when I'm moving that pelvis, it's stuck in this inferior plane here, so it's shifted down just like that. Okay. All right, Dr. Hannah, so I'm gonna have your right side up here. Also going to bring the headpiece up so she has somewhere to rest her head. And then that top leg here. So we're going to roll her in here, adjust that pelvis. Beautiful. So now I'm going to have her flip on the other side because when I was palpating the lower back earlier, I found a restriction right here, maybe that L3, and that can cause a lot of that lower back pain, a little bit of that hip pain in here too. So we're going to get that adjusted up the same way here. So instead of contacting her pelvis, I'm contacting her lower back here. Same idea. Perfect. And I'll have you go face up. So now we're going to take a look at her neck. So we're just going to palpate in here the same way that we did before, trying to find those restricted joints where that neck doesn't want to move. We're also going to have her rotate her head, which is going to show her where those restrictions are. See, definitely restricted on that left side here. So go ahead and adjust that for her, just like that. And we're going to look at this lower neck also. Same idea, palpating in here, seeing where those restricted joints are. This lower neck controls things like upper back pain, mid back pain, and when it gets worse enough, you'll see numbness and tingling going down into the arms. She has a restriction lower here, so we're going to come in here, same idea, and adjust it just like that. Perfect. Feeling great, Dr. Hannah. So we're going to help her up here, and that's what an adjustment flow looks like in our office. Very gentle. We check essentially all parts of the body, make sure that everything's functioning the way it should. Thank you guys for watching.